Hello and welcome to the lock-in. Today we've got one of these cheap Smiley face Keyway alarm locks. So there's the Keyway, there's the key and the button on the key. Turns that way to open, the shackle comes out, and to arm it, you turn the shackle around, put it back in, take your key out, it's now armed. But we don't want the alarm going off, so we'll take that out. Put it back in the right way, so I don't want to be deafening everyone. And let's pick this. Here we go. I'll just run my pick down the pins first. Feeling for binders. I think it's pin 2. That's gone slightly. Next pin, binding. Move on to the next. Cool, a little bit more there. Come back and see if any more are catching. No. It's got a bit of a false set going, but can't really feel any that want to play. Apart from maybe number 1. No. So I'll just run my pick up and down just to see if I can loosen one up. There we are. That's open. So that's the alarm lock picked. All the pick locks that you own, and keep it legal.